Have you ever felt like the universe was holding something back from you, like your blessing was ready but it just wasn't coming? If you're a Capricorn, something powerful is coming your way between August 13th and 20th. It's not an accident but a divinely appointed time. A hidden blessing that could change everything: your career, your love life, your path. This is not just a prediction. This could be the sign you've been praying for. Don't scroll. Don't ignore it. Because if you're watching this right now, Capricorn, you're known for your resilience, your discipline, your silent battles. You carry so much weight on your shoulders. And yet, you keep going, hoping that one day something will change. The truth is, the universe is watching you. And what you don't see yet is that change is already happening. Between August 13th and 20th, there's a remarkable energy taking shape around you. Something that most people won't notice. But you'll feel it. A door that was once closed will begin to open. It's not about luck. It's about divine timing. The kind of time that makes an ordinary day meaningful. And the best part is, you don't have to chase it. You just have to be ready to receive it. Stay here, Capricorn, because what you're about to hear could be the message your soul has been waiting for. Maybe, just maybe, this message is for you. Your current emotional, energetic state. Capricorn. Capricorn, let's be honest. The past few weeks or even months have been like a silent exam. You're carrying something that no one else notices. You're hiding something even when you're tired. You're pushing through even when your energy is low. And deep down, you ask yourself, is it worth it? You may have felt like you've been distancing yourself from people, yourself, even your dreams in the past few days. What you used to love is weighing you down. Plans are falling apart. Promises are suddenly cut short. And every time you try to be positive, another challenge comes along. There are nights when your mind won't stop thinking. Why does it seem like nothing is moving? When will my breakthrough come? But here's the truth, Capricorn, you are in the preparation phase. The universe is not punishing you, it is protecting and positioning you. You are not stuck. It is just reassuring you for a reason. Your soul knows something big is coming. That's why it is pulling you inward. That's why some people are being removed from your path. That's why some doors haven't opened, because there needs to be room for what is meant for you. You are tired, you are indecisive, and you have been waiting for a blessing for a long time. But understand this, you are closer than you think. Capricorns are builders, warriors, silent warriors. And even though the world doesn't see your efforts, the energy you put out creates a wave that will eventually come back to you. You waited bravely, you paid the price. You stayed true even when it was hard. And now the energy is shifting. You may be feeling it in your gut, in your sleep, in the way strangers treat you. This is not a coincidence. This is alignment. So if you're feeling lost, disconnected, or emotionally burdened, you're not alone. Many Capricorns feel it too. But don't think that staying still means stopping progress. In those quiet moments, destiny begins to whisper. This is your reminder. Your energy is being realigned for a reason. Something or someone is coming. And the universe wants you ready, not broken. Lie down deep, Capricorn. What's meant for you is coming. Astrological explanation. Why is it important? August 13th for Capricorn. Capricorn, get ready to feel the universe weaving its magic for you. From August 13th to 20th, several important planets will have a powerful alignment that will directly resonate with your heart and destiny. Here's what's happening above. Jupiter's blessing in your growth sector. These days, Jupiter, the planet of expansion and good fortune, is casting a generous light on your first house, career, and reputation. This transit is rare, estimated to occur only once a year. This week, you will have a greater chance of getting a promotion, being recognized at work, or receiving an opportunity you have been waiting for. When they say the universe brings opportunities, this is it. The intersection of Saturn's structure and the Sun's energy. Saturn remains in your sign. You continue to be encouraged to discipline yourself and plan wisely. But on August 15th, the Sun and Saturn will have a gentle trine. This aspect will reward your diligence. Projects that have been stalled for a long time will have the foundation they need to move forward. You will feel a renewed confidence, as if you have been given guidance to build your dreams. Clear communication from Mercury. On August 17th, Mercury will move directly into your third house of communication, short trips, and daily routines. If you've been waiting for answers, emails, calls, or messages, you're expecting clarity. Conversations that were previously chaotic or tense will suddenly become clear. This is your chance to speak your truth, pitch your idea, or demand your rights. Venus will add love and unity. As Venus travels through your third house of love, friendship, and desires, from August 13th to 20th, a friendship could blossom into a more meaningful relationship. If you're feeling lonely, siblings, watch out for someone special that a friend or an online community will introduce you to, as this transit encourages you to open your heart and receive love in unexpected ways. New moon in your secret sector, and in August the new moon will awaken in your third house. Spirituality, hidden blessings, rest. A powerful moment to plant an intention. About self-care, healing old wounds and inviting your hidden grace to emerge. This is the cosmic reset button that gives you permission to let go of fear and plant the seeds of your future. Why is this important to you? Divine timing, all of these transits converge in one powerful week. This is not a coincidence. It is destiny, a balance of effort and grace. You have taken on too much responsibility, Capricorn. Now, the universe is balancing your effort with grace and reward. Signs to watch for: notice repeating numbers, 11 hours, 11 minutes, 22. Vivid dreams about open doors or unexpected messages that start with "I have good news." Remember, astrology is not about magic or empty promises. It is the language of energy. It will guide you to align with the best time for your grace. From August 13th to 20th, the cosmic wind whispers on your side. Get ready. Open up. Your blessing is coming. Prepare your heart, Capricorn. The universe has marked this week as your beginning. Don't miss the signs, because this is where your life's transformation can begin. The hidden blessing revealed. Capricorn, now you know the cosmic preparation for August. August 13th. Let's discover the true gift that has been hidden from view for a long time. This hidden blessing is not universal. It is a personal miracle. It is offered for your unique journey. But whatever its form, it has the power to change your life in ways you never expected. 1. Unexpected career breakthrough. For many Capricorns, work is what solidifies your purpose. You've worked hard for it. Sleepless nights, early mornings, sacrifices that only you know about. This week, a surprise promotion or a new project that fits your passion perfectly could arrive. A secret recommendation from an unexpected person, mentor, former coworker, or stranger who admires your hard work. A freelance gig or sideline that will provide extra income and rekindle your creative spark. Signs: an email that starts an opportunity, an easy conversation about an open position, or a sudden invitation to an exclusive online event. 2. Short-term luck or financial blessing. Capricorn values security, and if your budget is a bit tight, be prepared for change. A small lottery win, you might just buy a ticket as a joke, or someone gave you a tip. This is not about carelessness, this is about serendipity. Even small, it can help reduce stress and open up bigger opportunities. An unexpected refund or rebate, maybe a subscription you forgot to cancel, a tax return or rebate check arriving in your mailbox. A bonus or raise coming in your next paycheck. Jupiter-inspired energy in your career house. Signs: notifications from your bank account. Colorful envelope in letter or dream about number of coins or winnings. 3. New spark in love or relationship healing. Venus in your elegant house is not just friendship strengthening. Love can also bloom. Old views will return in a new form. Ready to apologize. Reconnect or give meaning to the relationship. New love interest coming through a friend, online community, or even at work. This person will understand you and appreciate the depth of your personality. Healing in current relationship. Conversations you have been avoiding suddenly become easy and old wounds begin to heal. Signs: ye that are starting to come together. I remember you, or suddenly the heart emoji. A simple hello can lead to a deeper conversation. 4. Spiritual awakening or inner peace. The new moon in your spiritual sector is an invitation for deeper self-knowledge. A moment of clarity in meditation or dreams, perhaps a symbol, phrase, or vision will provide guidance. Letting go of old fears or beliefs that hold you back, as if a weight has been lifted from your chest, You will feel light and have new hope. A synchronicity that confirms that you are on the right path. For example, the repeated appearance of 7 and 7, discovering an uplifting quote, or playing a song that seems to be for you. Signs: vivid daily dreams, creeping during silent meditation, or random lyrics on the radio that will stop you. 5. A personal gift from the universe. More than concrete change, the universe can give blessings that are not entirely clear but have a powerful impact. A sudden burst of creativity helps to start a project, writing, painting, music, or business. A mentor or coach who will voluntarily approach you to guide you, perhaps through a LinkedIn message or referral. A synchronicity that is perfectly timed, meeting someone who will say exactly what you need to hear, or discovering an article that will answer your problem. Signs: strong hunches, make them creep on the skin or repeatedly. Symbolic animals like butterflies or eagles. How to receive this blessing. 1. Be present in the present. Walk mindfully and notice the small miracles. A sudden text message may be your signal. 2. Affirm yourself. Say it out loud. I am ready for my blessing, or write it in a journal. Your words are powerful. 3. Clear your physical and mental space. Let go of old papers, clothes, or digital files that are no longer needed. 4. Trust the timing. Even if it seems delayed or hidden, it will come. Remember that the appointed time is exact. 5. Be grateful. Thank the universe daily in prayer, affirmation, or silent thanksgiving. Capricorn, this week is not about chasing miracles. Instead, recognize them. Notice the subtle signs. Because the hidden blessing for you between August 13th and 20th may come in the smallest gesture, the most miraculous whisper, or the gentlest nudge. And when it does, you'll realize that your patience, faith, and resilience have brought you to this moment. Keep an open heart and prepare yourself for the gift the universe has in store for you. Zodiac influences and compatibility. Capricorn, as you're in the spotlight this week, the energy of other zodiac signs may further enhance your grace or provide support. Here's how some key signs will connect on your journey from August 1-32. Virgo, Earth Element Ally. Why is it important? Both Virgo and Capricorn share practicality, dependability, and attention to detail. What to expect? If you're working with a Virgo friend or coworker, you'll notice their support grow stronger. They may offer fresh solutions to work problems or share resources you didn't know about. Tip: be grateful and open to their small suggestions. These simple changes can accelerate big progress. Taurus, a solid partner. Why is it important? Both you and Taurus value security and comfort. This week, a Taurus may invite you to an opportunity. It could be a joint investment or a peaceful gathering that will foster a new idea. What to expect? You may receive an invitation to a small business, or a Taurus friend may share a financial tip that is uniquely aligned with your goals. Tip: listen carefully when they talk about money or long-term plans. Their advice comes from their genuine concern. Scorpio, emotional changer. Why is Scorpio's intense depth important? Will it help you face any remaining fears? As Venus and Pluto continue their interaction this week, a Scorpio may guide you through honest conversations. What to expect? Late-night chats or heartfelt messages from a Scorpio can be healing. They will help you let go of doubt and be open to the blessings to come. Tip: trust their perspective. Scorpios will not gloss over. Their intense honesty can be the spark for your transformation. Pisces, spiritual mirror. Why is it important that Pisces connect with the mystical and intuitive world, perfect for the energy of the new moon in your 11th house? What to expect? You may find a Pisces that will share a dream interpretation or meditation technique that will clarify your next step. Tip: say "E" to any invitation to spiritual work such as group meditation or sound healing. This will help you align with your hidden grace. Quick guidance. Accept the invitation from these signs. Go beyond the usual path. This is a cosmic sign. Notice the patterns. Does Virgo's solution appear repeatedly? Is Scorpio's advice timely? These synchronicities prove that you are on the right path. Capricorn, your hidden grace is not alone. It will resonate with the energy of trusted companions. Honor these relationships, stay open, and let their support magnify the potential of August 13th's life-changing journey. When you are united, miracles come faster. Manifestation in real life. Imagine this, Capricorn, it's a hot morning on August 14. You wake up before the sun rises. Your heart is heavy from a week full of worries. You push back the blanket and reach for your phone as if it were just another day of checking your email and to-do lists. But today is a completely different day. As you scroll, you notice a message notification. Congratulations, you've been selected for the senior manager role. You pause. You tap the notification.